If you have curly, wavy, or coily hair, keep on watching this video because I'm gonna teach you how to style your hair for both definition and volume. First step, you need your hair to be extremely wet, and when I say wet, I mean it needs to make that sound. Listen to it. You see, I have lots of water in my hair, so make sure you don't wrap your hair with any towel when you get out of the shower, or like you don't wait until you style your hair. If you do, it's okay, just re-wet it with a spray bottle. I'm gonna put on my towel scrunchies because I don't want my hands to get wet. Before I section my hair and after I detangled it, I am gonna apply my curl cream. I've been loving the Comeback Kit by FENTY Hair. This is a treatment. I always think it's best to include your hair care into your styling product, so it's kind of like one stone, two birds, if that is the saying. Second product I use is my curl cream or leave-in conditioner. I don't use so much of this product because it's also thick, and I think that thick products weigh curly hair down, and you have to be very careful with how much product you put in your hair. Less is always more, trust me. In this video, you're gonna notice the way that I apply my products are kind of like, I never get close to my roots and I always keep it to my ends because I don't want to lose volume here. And if you apply products to your roots, it's going to give that flat hair effect, and I kind of hate that. So do not apply products on your roots. Always rake it through your ends. This area of my hair is my problem area, so I always add a tiny bit more products over there just because I know this area of my hair gets frizzier faster. It's actually normal for a lot of people to have problems with this area of their head because this section is exposed to sun first. It is exposed to water first when you shower. It's exposed to so many things, so naturally it would be more damaged. It is time to section your hair. The way that I section my hair, I can probably make another full in-depth video on how I section my hair and the reasons why I do it the way I do it. But to briefly put it, if you have face framing bangs like I do, or you have shorter layers, you're gonna want to style the front of your hair last. So that should be the first part you're gonna section. So the first part you section is the front of your hair, and it would be the last part to style. Now it's time to section the back of my hair. I section my hair horizontally. It doesn't have to be perfect, and again, I use hair clips to secure the rest of my hair when I style this part. And I like to part each section into 3 smaller sections. I think I've said section 1,000 times. So 1 to my right, 1 to my left, and 1 would be in the back. I take my brush, I'm using this Bounce Girl Edge Lift brush, and I tuck it under and I pull it up and away from my scalp, and I let my curls form naturally. I shake it at the roots a little bit, then I scrunch. I'm repeating the same thing on the other side. Once I am done with an entire row, I use just like 1 pump of my gel and I scrunch the entire section. I'm done styling my entire hair. I am not gonna diffuse right away. I'm gonna air dry for about 30 minutes before I start diffusing. I'm using these small little hair clips to clip my shorter layers like that. This gives a lot more volume to your roots and it helps not making your roots look flat. Also, I get the ick whenever I have wet hair on my face. So I am going to air dry my hair for about half an hour. Probably gonna watch a show, do my makeup, and it's gonna be automatically half an hour, or like I usually just go eat something, then I come back to it, and I'm gonna diffuse my hair and show you the results. I just finished diffusing my hair, but we're not done yet. You can get even more volume without ruining your definition with a little bit of oil and a hair pick, or your fingers if you don't have a hair pick. These are very cheap. You can buy them from dollar store for like $1. But if you don't want to get a new product, because I get it, curly hair is expensive, you always have your 5 magic free fingers. I don't know why I said that. but you always can use your hands. I use this oil all the time. This is the OLAPLEX number 7 oil. It's a bond repair oil. I really like this oil. If you don't have this one, any oil would work as long as it is lightweight and it's not so heavy. Just rub it on the palms of your hands and then give your hair a good shake. You kind of go over your curls and you separate your curls and you shake it even more to get more volume. Now this is where this comes in handy. I flip my entire hair and then I just use the hair pick instead of my fingers to kind of like shake the roots to get even more volume at my roots. Also put it to the side. Be honest, do you see the difference between the before and after? I'm telling you, oil and a hair pick, don't sleep on it. Greatest hack of all time. My hair is looking really good. It looks soft, it has volume, it has definition. I didn't have to sacrifice volume for definition or the other way around. I am like really happy with how it turned out. I usually do this routine for when I want, of course, definition and volume at the same time, but also I want my hair to last the week. I wash my hair every 5 to 7 days. Usually with the techniques and the products that I use in this video, it lasts that long. But I also have other routines for when I'm feeling a little lazy or when I'm feeling a little extra. But this is pretty much it. This is my full in-depth hair routine. This video by far was the most requested video by you guys, and I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will reply, or you can always DM me on Instagram or TikTok. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know why I did that. I hope it wasn't cringe. I love you. Bye.